Good morning, my students. Today we are going to take Unit 2, Lesson 2, which is quadrilaterals. Okay, we took before the polygons and we said that the polygons are triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, and octagon. Today we are going to take the quadrilaterals. We have many quadrilaterals. We are going to start from the square. First of all, square is quadrilateral. Square is quadrilateral because it has 4 sides, 4 angles, and 4 vertices. Okay, so the square, we are going to take the properties of the square first. The square, all sides are equal. So we have here all sides are equal. Each two opposite sides are parallel. So we have this side parallel to this side, and this side is parallel to this side. And it has 4 right angles. Each of them measure equal 90 degrees. So it has here 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. It's right angle, and measure the measure of one of them is 90 degrees. So again, the square, the properties of the square, all sides are equal. Each two opposite sides are parallel. It has 4 right angles. Okay, what about its diagonals? This is the diagonals of the square. This is the first diagonal and this is the second diagonal. Okay, the diagonal of the square, they are equal. They are equal. So this one equal to this one, and also perpendicular. Watch with me here. If I have this diagonal and this diagonal, it's equal to each other's. It's perpendicular to each other's. Okay, so the diagonal of a square is perpendicular, and they are bisect each other's. The two diagonals bisected the square to each other's. Okay, so again, this is the sign of equal and this is the sign of perpendicular. Again, the square, all sides are equal. Each two opposite sides are parallel. It has 4 right angles. The measure of it is 90 degrees. So this is 90 and this is 90 and this is 90 and this is 90. And its diagonals, they are equal. They are perpendicular to each other like that. This is perpendicular, okay? And also we have here 90 degrees. And they are bisected to each others. They are bisected to each others. This is the first quadrilateral, the square, okay? The second one is the rectangle. Watch with me the rectangle here. We are going to talk first about its properties. The rectangle, okay, each two opposite sides are equal, okay, because we have here length and width. So this side equal to this side, and this side equal to this side, okay? So each two opposite sides are equal, and also each two opposite sides are parallel. This side parallel to this side, okay? Watch my marker here, they are parallel, never intersect each others. And this side parallel to this side, the opposite sides parallel, the opposite sides are equal. And also, like the square, it has 4 right angles. This is the first one, right angle, and here is right angle, and here is right angle, and here is right angle. So it has also 4 right angles. Okay, the measure of one of each is 90 degrees. Okay, again, the rectangle, each two opposite sides are equal. They are equal to each others, and each two opposite sides are parallel. Okay, it has 4 right angles. What about its diagonals? The diagonals here, they are equal, right? So they are equal, but they are not perpendicular. They are not perpendicular. We can't form it here right angles. Watch here, I have here acute angles and here is obtuse angle, so they are not equal. They are not perpendicular, but they are bisected to each other. They are bisected to each other, okay? So this is the properties of rectangle. So also the rectangle is a quadrilateral. The square is a quadrilateral. Okay, let's move to number 3. The quadrilateral. Why all of them are quadrilaterals? Because they have 4 angles, 4 sides, and 4 vertices. Number 3 here, the rhombus, Mr. Rhombus here. Okay, the rhombus here, it's like the square. All sides are equal. So all sides are equal. Okay, but watch with me here. Each two opposite sides are parallel. These two sides are parallel to each others, and these two sides are parallel to each others. Okay, and also here each two opposite angles are equal in measure. Each two opposite. So if I have an angle here, it's equal the measure here, and if I have an angle here, it's equal to its opposite angle. Okay, so only the square and the rectangle has 90 degrees, but here in rhombus each two opposite angles are equal. So again, the rhombus, all sides are equal and each two opposite sides are parallel here and here, and each two opposite angles are equal. This angle equal to this angle, and this angle equal to this angle. What about its diagonals? Watch with me here. The diagonals are perpendicular. They form right angles here. They are perpendicular, okay? But they are not equal. Why? I have the longest one here. This line or this diagonal, okay? Sorry, this diagonal is greater than this one, okay? So they are perpendicular. They are not equal, but they are bisect each other. They are bisect each others, okay? So again, it's diagonals. They are not equal. They are perpendicular and they are bisect each other. So the rhombus, like the square, in bisect each others and perpendicular. Okay, then let's move to the parallelogram, and this is number 4 in the quadrilaterals. Okay, watch with me here in the parallelogram. This is the shape of parallelogram. Okay, I think let's start to talk about its sides. Its sides are equal. Watch with me here. This side is equal to this side, and this side equal to this side. Okay, this is number 1. Each two opposite sides are equal. Let's move to the second point. Each two opposite sides are parallel. Okay, are parallel. Of course, it is a parallelogram. So each two opposite sides are parallel. Okay, and also each two opposite angles are equal in measure. This angle equal to its opposite one, and this angle equal to the other one. Okay, so I have here the parallelogram. We have 3 words here. Watch with me. Each two opposite sides are equal. Okay, number 2, each two opposite sides are parallel. Number 3, each two opposite angles are equal. What about its diagonals? Watch with me here. They are not equal. They are not equal, okay? So, and they are not perpendicular. Not equal, not perpendicular, but they are bisect each others. So again, its diagonals, they are not equal. Look at this diagonal and look at this one. They are not equal, and they are not perpendicular because they have not formed a right angle, but they are bisected to each others. This is the parallelogram, okay? So let's talk to the last one here in our quadrilaterals. It's the trapezium. I have here isosceles trapezium, okay? So watch here with me that trapezium. Only two opposite sides are parallel. Only two opposite sides are parallel, okay? So here, this is the two sides that they are parallel, okay? These two sides are not parallel because if we extended the two lines like that, they will intersect each other. So this side and this side, only two opposite sides are parallel. That's it. This is the properties of the isosceles trapezium. Then we are going to talk now about its diagonals of the trapezium. They are not equal, they are equal to each others, okay, and they are not perpendicular, okay. didn't form a right angle, and not bisect each other. They are not bisect each others. Okay, so again, the isosceles trapezium, number 1, they are equal. Number 2, not perpendicular. Number 3, not bisect each others. Okay, so we have to take here very important note. Okay, the quadrilateral is a polygon, but the square is a quadrilateral. The rectangle is a quadrilateral. The rhombus is a quadrilateral. The parallelogram is a quadrilateral. And the isosceles trapezium or trapezium is a quadrilateral. Okay? But the quadrilateral is a polygon. Thanks for watching me and see you next time.